Hello, today I will show you, this is my latest journal with the title Implementation of UI UX Concept and Technique in Web Layout Design with Figma. Essentially, before we create our web page, we must create our prototype, and then from there we take another step, converting design to coding. It's really crucial to pay attention about the principle of design, because it's really have a great effect, the aspect of user experience. We know that if we have a good design, I mean, the visitor feel more comfortable, and then they will stay for longer. Okay, so we need really pay attention in our design first. So this journal is talk about design prototyping using Figma. Not just the code how to code, but as a web designer, we must have touch, artistic touch to create a web page look more beautiful, look more user friendly. And we know, as a web designer, we're not just have a great technical skill, but have a taste of art. So this journal, I wrote this journal. I wrote this article, cover about the basic foundation of design. I mean, several principle about design. So hopefully this journal will be have beneficial for me. I mean, for us to more grasp about the design web page. Okay, so let me put the link on description below.